Hello and welcome to Waltz seminar named Basic and Beyond. Idea is to show how from basic figures which are described in technique books we can do advanced figures in free group. And today we will dance Fallaway Reverse to counter Promenade position and also running feather from Promenade position. And let's welcome our demonstrators, Andrejs and Kornelija. And we start with Fallaway Reverse slip pivot, which is basic figure described in technique books. So we dance and 1, 2 and 3, and last step is slip pivot. Let's do again from opposite angle, and again. This time Kornelija will not turn her head. Good. Now, idea is to change last step of this figure and finish to side in counter promenade position. And we ask Andrejs and Kornelija show us how they change last step of Fallaway Reverse slip pivot. So first three steps are very basic, and now to side in counter promenade position. Okay, let's return one step back. Yes, man with balance on right foot, lady on left foot, and next step will be forward in counter promenade position, man with left foot, lady with right foot, and we dance hover telemark. So first step is in counter promenade position, then to side brush and to side in promenade position. Hover telemark is basic figure, and the man's steps are from closed position, and we can finish in closed or promenade position. So man usually starts with left foot, forward, diagonally forward, brush and diagonally forward. Now we change first step in counter promenade position to side brush and to side in promenade position. We ask Andrejs and Kornelija to show basic hover telemark. So from closed position, 1, 2, brush, 3. Usually first step for man is with heel lead, but Andrejs danced an advanced version with toe. 1, 2, 3. We follow with a running feather from promenade position, and last step is pivot action. Now let's put together these figures in small routine, 4-bar routine. So first figure will be double reverse spin, which is basic figure. So we start with closed position, double reverse spin, then Fallaway Reverse to counter promenade position, hover telemark, and a running feather from promenade position. Let's do again. One, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators, Andrejs and Kornelija. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and have personal experience with me with Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed today's video and see you in the next dance videos.